Hello, everyone. I'd like to go over Module 5 with you as the overview. So I'm going to go ahead, share my screen. And here we are in Module 5. Now, this is the last of our case study analysis on customer retention. And this module should take place, your workday should be from September 2nd to 5th. Please feel free to do work in advance, not a problem at all, but you don't want to be delayed. All right, so here we have our overview and objectives and how the unit and module objectives align with the course content. We have our readings. We have 4 different readings. They're not very lengthy. We definitely have the case study, but we have other additional information here. So here is a brief reading on customer retention. I think you'll find that very informative, and as well as the case study analysis, and then a brief reading on Fitbit buying Pebble. And then here is the supplemental reading for the case study on why did Pebble watch fail. So interesting readings. And then we go down to our resources. We have the customer retention slide deck lecture. Please view that video lecture. And then there is a video on Pebble promoting itself on Kickstarter. So I think you'll find that humorous. It's a brief video, but it kind of plays into what we're including in this module regarding Fitbit and Pebble. Then part of this module also includes the customer acquisition cost as well as the lifetime value of the customer. So there's some additional videos, brief videos here that will help you to better understand that content. It's mentioned in the slide deck, but it's nice to see a video that explains things further. In addition to the video, below the video, you will see there's some additional reading if you want to learn a little bit more about each of these areas. And then for the assignments, it's the same as the 2 prior case studies. We have the reading quiz for Fitbit, the case, and then we have your discussion post on what you feel would be, in your opinion, the best strategy that Fitbit should have done to retain their customers. And then we have the case study analysis for the individual answers to the case study for the team. And then we have the honors component, part 1. I encourage you to take the honors component. It's not a heavy lift in this course, even though this course is accelerated, and you will have a portfolio at the end that will help you to better position yourself for several different things. 1, if you want to go to grad school. 2, if you just want to have a career and you want a competitive edge against other people that are applying for the same job, that you as a candidate would stand above the rest. Also, if you're starting your own business and you don't wish to continue school, or you don't wish to have work for someone, well, then you can showcase a portfolio as a way to showcase your work. So please don't ignore this. And you do get a little extra credit too in the course, which is helpful. And so I absolutely encourage you to do that. Please reach out to me if you have any questions on the honors component or anything in this module or anything in the course for that matter. The next module, module 6, is when we start going into our business that we're working with and the case study analysis, the case study analysis for that business. So we've learned about case studies from 3 different companies, and we're going to take some of that learning from those components into the report that we're going to be writing. And I will go over that in detail when we get into module 6. So thank you so much, and let me know if you have any questions whatsoever. I hope you enjoy this module.